46. Godiva Labradors, day 46. So, we just got done cleaning this, and in this early morning. So Rollo loves to play with them. He holds a toy, and then they all try to get it from him. And then he will, this is our 1-year-old from one of the other litters that we kept. And he licks their ears and cleans them. He's very sweet. He loves to play with them. Mommy's weaning them, so Mommy doesn't spend a whole lot of time with them anymore. Probably 3 times a day, maybe. We're going to go get some shots today. Gonna get some shots. Abby, stop biting, Abby. You just want to be in the lap. And yellow is Annie, as in Anakin Skywalker, but for a girl, Annie, I believe. And that's Sadie. And Zoe is purple over there with the new collar. And then Maverick, ouch, Maverick, and then Piper. Oh, and that's Buster, of course, Buster Posey. And red, they're just making sure that they have the right name. They wanted to pick the puppy first before they pick the name, so, which is totally understandable. This is a name you're going to have for a long time. Are you seriously biting my shirt? Huh, Annie? Are you biting my shirt, Annie? Annie. Annie. And Sadie. And Zoe. All the Y names. Annie, Sadie, Zoe, Buster Posey. Oh, you fell. And Sadie. Wow, we have and we got Piper and Maverick. That's funny. Hi. Hi, Red. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, babies. Yay! Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Oh, Lord, the puppies, I'm going to miss you so much. I mean, I'm not going to miss cleaning up. That I'm not going to miss. Puppies are a lot of work in terms of the cleaning up department. And when you throw in that there's 8 of them, it gets to be a bit messy, as you can imagine. So, ow, ow, that hurt, Zoe. No, 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 no. Sit, sit. Good girl. Are you going to sit? Sit, sit, sit. You're not going to sit, are you? Rollo, sit. He's too excited with the puppies. Hi, Piper. Sit, sit. Good girl, good sit. Sit, sit. Good girl, good sit. Oh, you fell. They just love biting that blanket, which is really funny. No, they don't bite any other blanket. Must be fun to bite. No, you cannot bite my shirt, little ones. No biting my shirt. Oh, bite each other. There you go. Piper is biting Sadie's leg. They bite anything they can get a hold of. Hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Ow. 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 Rollo. Rollo. What are you doing? I don't think she needs to be cleaned anymore. Stop. Oh, you like the squeaker. Rollo. Are you making it squeak? Sadie. Annie. Rollo's trying to find the squeakers in all the toys. That's so funny. And that that toy over there is for Maverick, so that it smells like the puppies. Okay, stop. Okay, no more biting the shoes. Hi, we're going to train. Where are we going to train? Ow! That one hurt. No. Hi, Red. What's your name going to be? I bet they're going to come up with a really sweet name for you. Hi, look at you. This is Pink, our normally mellow one in the morning. She's not so calm in the mornings. It's 6 a.m. right now, or 6 something. All right, Rolo. What you doing? What do you smell? Your retriever, what do you smell? Wait, Piper, come here. What do you have in your mouth? Come here. No, we're not going to have that in your mouth. That's not good. I'm going to have to change this blanket. Okay, so since they like to bite this blanket, I got to change it because I don't want them to get any of this stuff in their tummy. Okay, so I'll talk to you later.